Today we're going to be making one of the oldest drinks around, the old-fashioned. A drink dating back early as the 1800s, with mild modifications over the years. This is ours. Now grab some Angostura bitters. We also use some orange bitters for our blend. We want a splash of both in the glass. Muddling sugar cubes with water is typical, but today we use simple syrup. Mix all of these together. Who knew an old-fashioned could change their ways? Next, we need a bourbon. We used Elijah Craig, small batch. It adds a nice spice of its own, but use what you like. Some people even like brandy for this drink. Pour 2 shots of your preferred bourbon, slowly. Even slower. Getting it to the brim doesn't make it taste any different, but it will make you feel different. Next, my favorite part. Watch as all the ingredients spill into each other. Don't mind the spill in the back. No bourbon was wasted here. Pour in some ice. Become mesmerized by the warm colors and the glow this drink promotes during this mix. Alright, I'll stop. Grab a jar of maraschino cherries, or some people call it maraschino. Drizzle some of its deep red syrup into the drink and watch as it sinks to the bottom. Top it off with a cherry. Twist an orange peel for a mist of juice. Proceed to put the orange zest into the glass. Take the orange peel and rub down the rim for a hint of flavor, because who likes the taste of glass? And enjoy. Thanks for watching.